Hey guys, so today I got my mystery box from Bombing Science, and I got the $50 box. I'm gonna show you what comes in there. I also ordered a few extra things, so let's see what we got. So these paint, they come in the $50 mystery box, along with paint stick, nice little bag for your paint, ooh, another Sakura solid marker, white. And Bombing Science lanyard. Can't remember if I ordered these caps or not. Might have. I ordered some extra nibs for the Molotov markers. If anybody knows how to clean these nibs, please let me know, because I'm tired of buying new nibs. And a black pad. So these are the other markers I bought. Oh man, one of the paint markers got smashed. Yeah, whatever, as long as it's not leaking. It looks like it's silver too. Oh, it looks like it uses a Molotov nib. Pretty cool. So we got flame orange. What is that? Or a light, I guess. I can't really read it. Turquoise light. Flame blue. Another flame blue. I think they're both the same color. But one is high output, the other is low. So we'll test those out and see how those go. Another low pressure, Viola. Flame orange, high pressure, chrome. Another low pressure, olive. And fire red, high pressure. And this is terracotta, I believe. Low pressure. Can't really read what that says. Well, either way, it's purple. And those are the cans that come with the $50 mystery box. These are cool for stencils too. Alright, so hope you liked my video, and more to come in the future. Stay tuned. Thanks.